Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 8, approximate, verb. American pronunciation, approximate, approximate, approximate. British pronunciation,
approximate, approximate, approximate.
meaning. Approximate means to measure or to calculate with useful but not exact precision. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are approximate the distance, approximate the value, the program approximates. Example sentence number 1. Approximate, verb. The researcher will approximate the amount of funding needed. Example sentence number 2, approximate, verb. It is critical that the algorithm approximates sufficiently, or disaster can occur. Now you can use approximate confidently in your research. Please click like and subscribe below, and I will see you in another video. Bye!